The alcohol detox symptoms. Alcoholism is rapidly becoming one of the most uncontrollable problems in today's society. Hundreds of people are becoming dependent to it, and it's so sad to know that many people were killed by it. Knowing how bad alcoholism is, medical experts have decided to make detoxification as one effective solution for combating alcohol dependency. Alcohol detox has been around for years now. It has been practiced by several medical institutions these days, and it's so nice to know that majority of those who have undergone the process have attained a much better life just after the withdrawal. However, just like the rest of medical operations, alcohol detox has its own risks and symptoms. Generally, the alcohol detox symptoms are manageable, but they can be intense and life-threatening, especially if the procedure is not handled as proper and careful as possible. It is for this reason that medical professionals practicing the alcohol detox procedure pay close attention to every detail of the operation. The alcohol detox symptoms vary depending on the duration of the alcohol use. If the person has been addicted to alcohol for long years, the alcohol detox symptoms can be intense and serious. This also holds true when the person has been consuming alcohol in large amounts. The reverse happens to those who are just addicted to alcohol for a short period of time. Although that said, the alcohol detox symptoms are still not comfortable. Included in the list of the possible alcohol detox symptoms are hand tremor, which tends to increase if not immediately treated, sweating, rapid heartbeat and pulse, insomnia, headaches, nausea, vomiting, anxiety, grand mal seizures, transient visual illusions, hallucinations involving tactile and auditory, and physical agitation. The serious symptoms of alcohol detox, which can possibly cause a much serious condition, and even death, are autonomic hyperactivity and delirium seizures. Such mentioned alcohol detox symptoms are said to appear between 6 to about 48 hours soon after the patient stops consuming alcohol. It is for this fact that such symptoms of alcohol detox is named by many as withdrawal symptoms. Being uncomfortable and life-threatening, the alcohol detox symptoms are typically treated by certain medications. Anticonvulsants, as well as benzodiazepines, are usually given for the patient to take under certain guidelines. Both of these medications are said to be potent for alleviate the uncomfortable symptoms of alcohol detox. There are also some instances when the patients are administered with particular medical procedures to help their system work normally. Note that only the medical professionals are entitled to handle the case of alcohol detoxification, and there's no other reason for this than the fact that the alcohol detox symptoms can sometimes be fatal.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.